Howdy out there, CNC Dude here, trying to put together a project that used to be on the learning pathways in Autodesk in Fusion, formerly known as Fusion 360. Let's go to learning. Let's see if we can navigate this. Find education resources, library of projects. Maybe it's there. Introduction to CAD. Let's see. I think we need to narrow down the software first. I got Fusion, got 91. All right. Including teaching supplements. Let's see. We'll expand our search here. Introduction to CAD CAM Practical CNC is a good beginner one. But the one I'm going for is the Fusion engine. Let's see if I can find it here. Making a custom pen, chip hook handle. We're getting there. Hang on. CNC Toolpaths, the new Haas related course. I don't quite see it yet. I want to search like you were going to search. Here's one here. It says Project 9. We want to start with Project 1. Right there. Make a model engine cylinder. This should be, I think it's 11 parts. Okay, making a model engine cylinder. And here it is right here. Let me bring up my Fusion, my real Fusion here. And I'm going to bring it over here. And I'm going to go to my Fusion Model Engine area, okay? Engine assembly. This is the engine assembly. These were in the original learning pathways. And I think this makes more sense as components of an assembly right here. Because these are actually called components now. They're not individual parts. So it's, actually I would like to make some of these so you can visually see what's on the inside. So you got, let's take away the cylinder head. You got a piston on the inside. Let's take away the cylinder. That's called a piston. And these are flanges. I'm going to take one flange, two flanges away. There's a couple of dowel pins there. Dowel pin, dowel pin. All right. So now we have a piston. And these are called cases. Let's take the cases away. And there we are. The cases are gone. And this one we call a crankshaft. It says crank right here. And a shoulder bolt, which will be the bottom of the connecting rod. And the connecting rod is connected to the piston. And it has a pin up here. So we want to be able to show you, if you make all these components, you'll have a little mechanical engine. I think there's a couple of parts you do need to buy. You need to buy this shoulder bolt, this bushing here, and we actually made some more updates to it. And if you go on Mechanical Advantage with Kevin Ellison, let me see if I can find his. Let me pause for a second. Where's my pause button? It's here somewhere. I can't see it right now. All right, let me switch to my Chrome. And don't mind me while I'm looking. You look for Mechanical Advantage website. There we go. All right, I'm going to bring that over here. Mechanical Advantage right here. I am subscribed to the website. And right there, he's got the Autodesk Engine Project Series, and he's making it in his CNC machine. So he's walking you through the steps. We got engine case left hand, cylinder machining, cylinder head, cylinder, Let's move to the right. Different things you need to consider when you're making these. Yeah, let's see. So he's in the middle of this series right now. But if you take this all together, and in our class we are making it, and we're going to assemble them. So going back to the Fusion here, we went to this area. These are all the individual components up and down here. So when you go into that, let's see, Fusion engine. This was an updated engine we made. And I think I'm going to also show everybody how to make this outside pulley so you can turn this, and we put some fins on the cylinder for cooling, and we added a spark plug hole. And maybe some way, and maybe kind of a snazzier case here. But it's a pretty good assembly. You can make one project, should take 11 parts, and break it all down. So the same thing here, we got cylinder head. Where's the cylinder head? Oh, that's the flange. Flange. Oh, STC cylinder head. All right, yeah, we changed it. So the old cylinder head here. New cylinder head with spark plug hole. Old cylinder. No, our cylinder head, cylinder. Originals, and cylinder with fins. Then we added a flywheel right here. Flywheel which goes on this. So we're all going to get out there and show you how to make this engine assembly. Piece by piece. And learn Fusion at the same time. I think when I put this on, I can actually have the engine assembly. Where is the assembly here? Right here, assembly, engine, no timeline. So let's go back into Fusion itself. These are all individual parts. I don't know. It says teaching supplements. Look. We got instructor guide and other model engine projects. Let's look at that. Let me let it update. I don't see any links there. Let me go back. I thought I had a link. Instructor guide. Oh, it's right up there. I'll look at that later. Want to create a custom playlist to share with your students? Okay, good. So that's what we'll probably do. We got 3, 4, 2. They're not in order, but let's go to the right here. We get 5, 9, 7, 6, 11, 10. Does that all add up? We got, which one are we doing here? Cylinder. All right. Let's say cylinders. Yeah, cylinders number 1. 2 is engine rod soft jar. 3 is engine rod. 4 is crank soft jar. 5 is crank. 6, way down here, making a piston. 7, a left-hand case. 8, a cylinder head. Is there a 9 here? 9. Oh, there it is. Cylinder flange soft jaw, and 10 cylinder flange, and 11 right-hand case. Probably not the order I would do it in, but okay. Introduction to CAD/CAM Practical CNC. This is a very good course for beginners. They really just touch on the engine case. They don't have all the guys in here. So that's what we're here for. Related learning's kind of getting you in there. All right, course. Let's see what's in the zip file. Let's see, I downloaded the file. Let me look over here. Download. Extract. Extract all. All right. Let's bring this over. We got module blueprint. Oh no, this is to the CAD, CAM, and CNC course. I got the wrong one. Instructor guide for engine projects. Extract all. Extract. Instructor guide. Which is really just a PDF file. Okay. Let's go to, this is just the cylinder all by itself. Well, let's look at that anyway. I believe, let's see if it has the model in there. Open file. There it is. Oh, cylinder course, data set, CAD, CAM. Oh, engine assembly for reference. Oh, it's right there. It is there. Workflow guide. Okay, model engine assembly workflow guide. Ooh, it's got 22 challenges. We got cylinder, soft jaw, rod, crank. Okay. We can work our way through that. Drawings. Let's go cylinder drawing. Yep. We can make a model from that. I think I saw another one here that said cylinder drawing challenge. I'm not sure what's different about that one. I like our ones with the fins in it. Data set. CAD, no data set required. In other words, you got to draw it. So, oh, there's cylinders right there. There's your cylinder. And engine assembly. Okay, you got enough to get started. So you really need to follow the course. So if you go into, you can follow Kevin's course here. Or what do we have in the Fusion side here? Project 1, cylinder, challenge exercise. There's your cylinder, review blueprint. All right, let's go to next unit. Process plan, it's not a video. You got to read. What are you making? Go back. Machining best practices. So a lot of PDFs. There's a setup sheet there. Okay, I guess we'll have to walk you through this. We'll start doing lessons on how to do this project. We'll go step by step, inch by inch. And we'll get there. But in the meantime, I think it's a really great project to start with for learning this. As I started to think about it, I think, unlike the other courses, it hasn't got a lot of the video content. It's really left up to you as a more experienced programmer at this point. Let's see what we get. Project design, manufacturing. It looks like the Autodesk has intermingled everything in there. Let's software, Fusion, feature cam, Fusion. Okay. Well, anyway, we directed you to how to get all the projects and the assembly. And I think it would be helpful to have some content on the manufacturing end. So going back to Kevin's site right here, Model Engine Project. Let's look at his video here.
after I created them here command and repeat them here, and now in the browser.
So he did get some design in here. So that's good. Very good. So you don't have to take the model. You can make your own. Then we get cylinder head. So he's also getting into design. And let's see. We got modeling and the CAM section right now. CAM in Fusion is called manufacturing, but CAM is computer-aided manufacturing. And how to do the machining part. So good. I'll leave that up to Kevin to keep on trucking along on this series. But it's an excellent series. We're using it in our school as a production environment. We're going to make 25 engines, which means we have to make 25 of each component. We're going to be running it as CNC operators and taking turns and make sure we measure everything, because if you get some of these numbers wrong, they won't assemble. Okay? That's it for me, CNC Dude, signing off, and hope you had good luck with the model engine project.